SoundStripe. SoundStripe.
Have our E36 Turbo Build here. This has the factory M50 engine. Eric's been working away on it for the last couple of weeks, getting everything to where it is right now. Recently, we just received the Pulsar Turbo, which is perfect timing because Eric's been fabricating the turbo manifold for the last couple of days. I had the pleasure of getting to weld all the pieces together. He's also got some of the major components in place already, like the fuel rail, the injectors, the wiring that we need for the new setup, some relays, the boost controller. It's kind of gone through and got everything prepped, ready to go. And even the throttle body is prepped with the new IAT sensor. The fuel pressure regulator is mounted. We made some really nice PTFE lines here with the red horse lines. And the drain line has been made to go back down. So the next thing we're going to be working on is getting the turbo manifold complete. That way we can get the turbo sitting in position and then start building the downpipe, positioning the wastegate. That way we have proper flow into the wastegate. We can set up the recirc. And then we're actually going to be building a full exhaust for the car as well. We also got our brand new Garrett intercooler in. So for our intercooler setup, we got something that would fill the front grille. But we also didn't want to trim away the factory crash bar or, ruin the factory bumper. So we got a core that's overrated for the horsepower we're making. So that way we don't run into any heat soak issues, but a perfect size to fit behind the factory grille, which would be exciting. And other than that, we've been just working through getting everything cleaned up and ready for the next step.
A new subject has landed if you saw it via Instagram. If not, pause the video and search Fusion Motor Fab on Instagram. What we've got is a 1996 Porsche 911 GT2 Evo. It was delivered to us from Status Logics for our client. This is a special Porsche released for track use and farther enhanced to push the limits. If you know, you know. If not, 3.6 liter twin turbocharged flat 6, rated at 600 horsepower, 491 foot-pounds of torque. It's got a roll cage, gutted, rear-wheel drive, race suspension, aero to increase downforce, and much, much more. This particular car received upgraded turbos, suspension, and the motor's been built. Fusion Motor Fab is going to do a custom 3-inch turbo back exhaust. If you're interested to see this finished product, you'll have to like, comment, and subscribe to our social outlets. Thank you.